What if I told you that $100 in your hand right now is worth more than a guaranteed $1,000 someone promises to give you tomorrow? Sounds crazy, right? Most people will laugh at that statement. But by the end of this video, not only will you understand exactly why this is true, you'll also understand the one financial concept that separates people who build wealth from people who stay broke their entire lives. This concept is called the time value of money, and it is the foundation of every smart financial decision ever made. Let's break it down from scratch. Here's the core idea. Money today and money in the future are not the same thing, even if the number looks identical. Would you rather have $1,000 today or $1,000 exactly 1 year from now? Almost everyone picks today. But why? The number's the same. Why does it matter when you get it? 3 reasons, and these 3 reasons will change how you see every dollar you ever earn. Reason number 1, opportunity. Reason number 2, inflation. Reason number 3, risk. Reason number 1, opportunity. If you have $1,000 in your hand today, you can do something with it. You can invest it, you can put it in a high-yield savings account, you can start a small business. That money has the ability to grow. Let's say you invest that $1,000 at 10% annual return, which is roughly the historical average of the S&P 500. After 1 year, your $1,000 becomes $1,100. That $100 difference is called opportunity cost, the cost of not using your money while you had the chance. If you invest $1,000 at 10% per year, after year 1, $1,100. After year 2, $1,210. After year 3, $1,331. After year 4, $1,464. After year 5, $1,611. By simply having the money today and putting it to work, your $1,000 becomes over $1,600 in 5 years. Idle money is dying money. Every day your cash sits still, it's losing its potential. Reason number 2, inflation. Even if you don't invest a single dollar, the money you hold today is still more valuable than the same amount in the future because of inflation. Inflation is the slow, silent rise in the price of everything around you. In 1990, $100 could fill an entire grocery cart. Today, that same $100 might barely cover half. The number on the bill didn't change, but its purchasing power did. The U.S. average inflation rate is around 3% per year. At 3% inflation, $1,000 today is only worth $744 in 10 years, $554 in 20 years, and just $412 in 30 years. Your money is like an ice cube. Leave it sitting out and it melts. The longer you wait to use it or invest it, the less of it you actually have. Reason number 3, risk. This one is simple. A promise of future money is just that, a promise. The person who says they'll pay you $1,000 next year could lose their job, the company could go bankrupt, the economy could crash, life could happen. Money in your hand right now is certain. Money in the future is uncertain. And in finance, uncertainty always comes with a cost. This is why banks charge interest on loans, why investors demand returns. A bird in the hand is worth 2 in the bush. Turns out your grandma was teaching you finance all along. Now let's bring this together with one simple formula that every banker, investor, and financial analyst uses daily. It's called the present value formula. PV, present value, FV, future value, R, the interest rate, N, number of years. Here's a real example. Someone promises you $1,000 5 years from now. The market return rate is 10%. What is that $1,000 actually worth to you today? PV equals 1,000 divided by 1.10 to the power of 5. That equals 1,000 divided by 1.61, which gives us $621. That promised $1,000 5 years from now is only worth $621 in today's money. Nearly $400 just evaporated because of time. This is why smart investors never look at face value. They always ask, what is this worth to me right now? Now let's apply this to real-life decisions you actually face. Ever wondered why lottery winners who choose the lump sum get less money? If you win $10 million, they might offer you $6 million today or $10 million paid out over 30 years. Using time value of money, $10 million paid over 30 years is actually less than $6 million right now. The lump sum is often the smarter financial choice. If you have credit card debt at 18% interest, paying it off today is one of the highest guaranteed returns you can get, because every dollar of debt you eliminate is a dollar that was going to cost you 18 cents every single year. Person A invests $200 a month starting at age 22. Person B waits until 32 to start the same $200 a month. Both retire at 60. At a 10% return, Person A retires with over $1 million. Person B, roughly $400,000. A 10-year delay cost them over $600,000. Time is the most expensive thing you will ever waste. So, let's bring it all together. The time value of money teaches us 3 things that will stick with you for life. Number 1, money today is always worth more than the same amount in the future because it can grow and because inflation shrinks future money. Number 2, delay is expensive. Every day you wait has a real financial cost. Number 3, you don't need a lot of money to build wealth. You need time, and the sooner you start, the less money you actually need. That $100 sitting in your pocket right now is a seed. Plant it today and it grows into something extraordinary. Leave it in your pocket and it just wilts. The richest people in the world didn't get there by earning more. They got there by understanding one simple truth. Time is their most valuable asset, and they never waste it. You now understand something that most people around you never will. The question is, what are you going to do with it? If this video gave you a new way to think about money, hit that like button and subscribe, because in every video we break down financial concepts just like this one, simple, visual, and straight to the point. Next up, watch our video on compound interest because it connects directly to everything we just talked about. See you in the next one.